Hi, my name is Shubham. I got placed as senior associate at Sutherland. Previously, I was working as an architect. Odin School helped me to go through this transition. I joined Odin School at January 2021. From there onwards, I learned the technical skills, soft skills, and interview skills which is required for the current market. Odin School's teachers are actually the working professionals who know what is the requirement of the industry currently. So their curriculum is precisely built according to it. They have Saturday and Sunday live classes. After that, they give us a project which help us to build the industry standard level of portfolio. After that, they conduct internal interviews. After clearing that particular interview, they provide the job placement assistance through which I get this particular job, and I'm very thankful to Odin School.